When you think of Honda, you probably think of our fuel-efficient vehicles or advanced alternative fuel technologies. What probably doesn't come to mind is our effort to reduce the environmental impact of the factories that manufacture our products. For more than a decade, Honda associates in plants throughout North America have been working to eliminate all factory waste sent to landfills. In 2011, we largely achieved our zero waste to landfill goal, with 10 of 14 plants operating with absolutely no waste sent to landfills and 4 plants operating with virtually no waste sent to landfill. In fact, over the past 10 years, Honda has reduced this waste stream from more than 62 pounds for each automobile produced in fiscal 2001 to just 1.8 pounds per automobile in the current fiscal year. In the process, Honda associates have prevented more than 4.4 billion pounds of waste material from being sent to landfills over the past decade. Here are a few examples of the effort, ingenuity, and innovation of Honda associates to achieve virtually zero waste to landfill from our manufacturing operations in North America. At Honda's East Liberty, Ohio auto plant, associates collect the polypropylene rags and mats used to wipe and capture solvent. The rags, mats, and solvents will be recycled. With the help of a mobile fluid recovery truck, we put the oily rags in a large centrifuge that looks like an industrial washing machine. This large centrifugal spinner extracts the solvents, which flow into a container for reuse. The rags are then removed and sent for further processing, where they are cleaned and baled. From there, the material is processed and transformed into auto parts. No steel scrap from Honda's North American manufacturing operations has been going to landfills. Steel scrap from the stamping of automobile panels falls into a conveyor system. The large pieces go to Honda suppliers for reuse in their stamping operations. The rest is pressed into steel blocks for recycling. Much of the recycled steel from Honda's Marysville and East Liberty auto plants in Ohio is transported to its engine plant in Anna, Ohio, where they are melted and cast into brakes and other automotive components. Many parts used in our vehicles arrive at our auto plants with protective plastic caps to protect them during shipping. These parts used to be put in the trash or recycled, but now our Marysville and East Liberty, Ohio auto plants have initiated programs to reuse thousands of plastic caps every day. After removing the caps, associates collect them, wash and sort the caps, and then send them back to the parts suppliers for reuse. Honda's engine plants in Ohio, Alabama, and Canada use sand molds to form engine heads and other aluminum components, and for the casting of steel parts at the company's engine plant in Anna, Ohio. These aluminum and ferrous metal casting operations generate thousands of tons of used sand each year. Much of this sand had been shipped to area landfills for the beneficial use as a cover at those waste disposal facilities. Today, rather than going to landfills, all casting sands from Honda's engine plants are recycled for use as mulch and landscaping material and in concrete products. Last year, Honda's 3 engine plants in North America recycled a total of 9,400 tons of casting sand. These are just a few examples of our associates' efforts to keep our manufacturing waste out of landfills. It's part of our broader goal to reduce the environmental impact, not just of our vehicles, but from all our operations.